Since there are still so many questions asking about how to perform the cheek exercise, I have tried so many different kinds of exercises. I practiced for years. The one I'm showing you are the most effective one. The first exercise is the exercise I started with. In this exercise, you don't need to move your cheek up and down. You're going to swat your cheek, activate the muscles. Your muscle will be stronger over time. First exercise is simply smiling. Remember when you're smiling, the corner of your mouth is go up a little, not to the side, but smiling up, showing your upper teeth. And then curl, keep showing your upper teeth, because when you're showing your upper teeth, you're pushing up your cheeks. Keep this position for 20 or 30 seconds and repeat 2 more times. My tongue in this position is kind of hanging in the middle and I don't pay attention to it. Zero attention on the tongue, just focus your mind on your cheek. Try it right now. You see, after 20 seconds, your muscle up here is sore and down here also. Just like you have done a new workout for your body. At the beginning, you will see many lines here and also a lot here. Use your finger to press on them. I highly recommend this exercise for beginners. If you haven't done any other exercises, start with this one. Stay with this one for the first 2-3 weeks. Then you move to the next exercise where you can move your cheek up and down. The second exercise is a little bit more difficult, where your cheek muscles are already flexible and you can already isolate the cheek muscle and the eye area. So when you're doing the movement like this, only your cheek is moving. So simply say, oh, then squeeze your muscles, squeeze. Focus your mind on your cheek, squeeze your muscles, squeezing up. Normally breathing, the focus is on the muscles and moving up and down the muscles. You don't use any air in your mouth to push up the cheek. Oh. The third exercise, basically the same. You move your cheek up and down. Instead of buckle your lip, you curve it inside. The whole muscle here up. You lift them up. It's also help with the jaw area, the mouth area, corner of your mouth. Isolated your eye muscles and your cheek muscles. First, pick the exercise that suits you best. Practice over it to activate your cheek. Then try the next one or practice the 3 exercises.